Monday morning tropical update on potential tropical cyclone 6. Looking better on the satellite in the western Gulf of Mexico and headed towards, it looks like, Louisiana by Wednesday. You want your preps done by sunset on Tuesday evening, although rain will already be there. Models in really good agreement, may come to the right just a little bit. Intensity models suggesting rapid intensification is possible, at least Cat 1 before landfall. Here are the time arrivals for the winds, and you can see by 8 p.m. Tuesday, they're just offshore for tropical storm force winds. Of course, rain will be an issue, but remember, eastern Louisiana has seen a ton of rain already. Forecast models in pretty good agreement with the same location. Again, may come to the right just a little bit. Elsewhere in the tropics, 60% chance for development, but it looks like that'll stay offshore.